All right, guys, just want to do a little part two, just installation, just a quick little review of how we're going to install this. Right now, I'm actually just installing this on my Brew City pole. I've been using a Brew City pole on the side of my boat, on the front side of my boat, on the back rear of my boat. I generally always have a second active target around, whether I'm traveling to another person's boat or whatnot. So I just wanted to kind of feel out how it was going to look and how stable it was going to be on my Brew City pole. So I just kind of mocked it up quickly, put the mount together, again, installed it on the side of my boat just to kind of demonstrate how this mount's going to work. One thing I didn't show you guys in the first video was you do get two sets of rubber, and you get a thick set and a thin set. So it just so happens that the thin set actually works perfect inside the Active Target 2XL mount on a Brew City pole. So it works the same on a Ghost trolling motor. There is a mount from Lowrance coming out for Recon. Just to, side note, I know a friend of mine, Ryan, who owns Rytech Marine, is in the process of making a mount for the Active Target 2, give you a little more extension off the trolling motor, help with the cable maintenance, everything else that we're going to be looking at. So please keep an eye on his website, and you'll be able to see when that comes out. But I just wanted to show you how this is going to work off my pole, because this is an important part of my fishing. So I've got it set up on scout mode right now. So basically, as you can see, we just swing the clamp, and we can clamp it on the pole wherever we want. So again, if you had a Ghost or you had a Brew City pole like I do here right now, you can clamp it on the pole. If I loosen this bracket, then I can turn it for scouting. I use scout mode a lot more during crappie season, which is almost upon us. It's about most of the shallow water fishing I do. So just to show you, we have two preset locations for the scout mode. Number one, we're in deep mode right now. It's showing deep, or shining deep. If we bump it up one notch, now we've got a shallow scout mode scenario. So that's how you can make it go from shallow to deep. Now, if I wanted to go to down, all I do is swing it forward and lock it down. Now, there's a lock lever right here that I can actually lock it into location. Now it's solid on my pole. So as you can see how solid that mount is, it's actually working perfect right where I want it. And with the Active Target 2XL, we're going to be able to see down and forward because of the 180-degree cone angle it has. So again, if we want to unlock it, we can go back up to scout mode, flip it sideways. That's scout deep, that's scout shallow. And like I said, there's a locking lever right here that we can lock it so that it doesn't move. If we want to take it off the pole and move it back to our trolling motor, simply just swing the bracket. And as you can see, these thin rubber grommets come out very easily, so make sure you don't drop them. So those are the thin ones. I showed you the thick ones a minute ago. So the thick ones you need for other trolling motors or maybe a smaller pole type.